At Care247, we believe real care begins with comfort, making daily life simpler, safer, and more dignified. We've partnered with Creativiti Council, our NGO partner dedicated to designing practical and affordable solutions for bedridden and elderly patients, because we believe innovations that improve lives deserve to be seen. Together, we're highlighting CiCARE, a self-operated manual bed recliner that fits most cots and brings back independence. Its reclining angle ranges from 0 degrees to 80 degrees, letting users sit, rest, or read comfortably without needing help. Lightweight, portable, and budget-friendly, CiCARE is designed to make everyday life easier for those who need comfort the most. We've partnered to make care simpler, more dignified, and truly affordable for everyone. To know more or bring CiCARE home for your loved ones, DM us today.